Good morning, my name is Magic Viantuesa and today I'm going to show you how to make a Google Classroom which I have learned from the EdTech seminar I am attending right now. And so, first is you have to log in your account. This is my account. And then you have to familiarize first, which is the Google Classroom's logo. So this one is the Google Classroom logo. If you click it, you are redirected to the Google Classroom, which you already have if you have an account in the Google. And then, if you're going to make your own class, just click the plus button besides those dots, yung shampoo na dot nakatabi sa mukha mo lang. Then you are going to just click this one. Ito pang plus na nakalagay, plus sign. And then, create class. So you could have your own class. Okay. Agree lamang po dyan so that you can continue. And in my case, the name of my class is... Mahirap naman. Grade 10 Libra. Araling Panlipunan. Because I'm teaching social science Panlipunan. Ay, dito na pala yung section sa baba. Subject, dito na rin sa baba. Room, lagay ko na lang yung sa room ko po. Room 1. And click mo lang po yung create. After that, may makikita ka pong class code. Ito po yung ibibigay mo sa mga students mo para makapag-enroll sila sa'yo at mas efficient po kasi ito kapag kahit nasa bahay nila sila. And I'm sure meron naman po kayong group chat. I-forward nyo lang po ito in this one also, your class. You have to share this. Yan. At ayan na po. Sa classwork naman, kung halimbawa magpapagawa ka ng assignment or quizzes, anytime they want, at your own pace, pwede po silang gumawa. Ito namang sa people, ako po yung teacher dito syempre. And we will add our students here, i-invite natin. So, kailangan, alam natin yung mga mga emails. Kunyari, ilalagay ko na lang dito yung isa ko pang email. Then, I'll click the invite. Let's say, yung sa isa ko na lang, sa kapatid ko na lang. At Gmail. Kamayan. Then, invite lang po. Okay. Meron na tayong isang student sa ginawa nating classroom. Ayan. Ayan na po yung pangalan. Lumabas na po yung kaninang tinype natin. And then, for their grades, pwede po tayong maglagay dito. Pero later na po yun. Madali na lang yan. That's how simple this is. So, kung meron mang papagawa dito. Okay, itatry ko pong maglagay ng video na papanoorin nila. Material, let's say material. Pwede namang sa YouTube kasi meron po akong link doon. Ipipaste ko lang po yung yung URL po. Hanapin ko lang saglit sa aking... Ito. Kasi kinapipaste ko na to kanina. Meron na po kasi akong mga ready-made na videos ko. Ikaka-paste ko na lang doon. Ang hirap naman. Copy. Then, ilalagay ko siya doon. Add video. Para sa discussion. Then, lalagay ko lang sa description, please watch this video. Or, in Tagalog kasi Araling Panlipunan naman po. Panoorin ang video na ito. For your instruction. Grade 10. Naging garden na tuloy. And then, upload. Ay, wait. Ito pala yung upload pala. Kung hindi ka naman share, diretso na po yan. Ang title na to ay kanya, let's say, this is quarter 2, module 3. Ayan, post lang po. Yan, naka-upload na po yan doon. And thank you so much.